Today, many modern factories and logistics centers are using automated warehouse systems. But how does an ASRS warehouse actually work? In this video, we will explain the complete structure of an ASRS system and how it automates storage and logistics operations. ASRS stands for Automated Storage and Retrieval System. It is a smart warehouse solution designed to automatically store and retrieve goods using robotics conveyors and intelligent software systems instead of manual forklift operations. ASRS warehouses use automated machines to manage inventory and material movement. ASRS systems are widely used in manufacturing factories, e-commerce, fulfillment centers, cold storage warehouses, pharmaceutical logistics. ASRS stands for Automated Storage and Retrieval System. It is a smart warehouse solution designed to automatically store and retrieve goods using robotics conveyors and intelligent software systems instead of manual forklift operations. ASRS warehouses use automated machines to manage inventory and material movement. ASRS systems are widely used in manufacturing factories, e-commerce, fulfillment centers, cold storage warehouses, pharmaceutical logistics. The first component of an ASRS warehouse is the high-density storage rack system. These racks can reach heights of 20 to 40 meters, allowing warehouses to store thousands or even tens of thousands of pallets in a limited building footprint. High-density storage significantly improves warehouse space utilization. The most common ASRS equipment is the stacker crane system. Stacker cranes move along warehouse aisles and automatically store or retrieve pallets from storage racks. Modern stacker cranes can reach speeds of 200 meters per minute horizontal movement, 40 meters per minute vertical lifting. This allows extremely fast storage and retrieval operations. Another popular solution is the four-way shuttle system. Unlike stacker cranes, shuttle robots move freely across storage racks and can travel in four directions. This allows more flexible warehouse layouts and higher storage density. AGV and AM robots are often used to connect the ASRS warehouse with production lines and inbound or outbound logistics ASRS. These autonomous vehicles transport pallets between production lines, warehouse storage shipping areas. Automated conveyor systems are used to move goods inside the warehouse. They connect different areas including receiving stations, storage aisles, picking stations, shipping areas. Step E, inbound logistics. Goods arrive at the warehouse and are placed on the inbound conveyor system. Step R, identification. Barcode or RFID scanning systems identify the pallet and record it in the warehouse management system. Step C, automated storage. The warehouse system assigns storage location, and the stacker crane stores the pallet automatically. Step C, retrieval. When an order is generated, the system retrieves the pallet automatically and sends it to the shipping area. Automated storage and retrieval systems, ASRS, offer a multitude of significant advantages, making them a game changer in the logistics and warehousing industry. 1. Exceptional storage density. Automated warehouses outshine traditional ones by being capable of storing 3 to 5 times more inventory. This high-density storage not only maximizes the use of available space, but also allows businesses to handle larger inventories without the need for extensive additional real estate. 2. Substantial labor cost reduction. By automating the processes, ASRS systems greatly minimize the reliance on manual forklift operations. This not only cuts down on labor-related expenses, but also reduces the potential for human error and associated risks. 3. Enhanced logistics efficiency. One of the remarkable features of ASRS is its round-the-clock operation. These automated systems work non-stop, 24 hours a day, ensuring a continuous and efficient flow of goods. This leads to faster order processing and delivery, improving overall customer satisfaction. For precise real-time inventory management, the warehouse software integrated with ASRS provides accurate and up-to-the-minute inventory tracking. This enables businesses to have a clear view of their stock levels at all times, facilitating better decision-making and preventing over or under stocking. ASRS warehouse systems have found wide applications across various industries. They are extensively utilized in electronics manufacturing, where precision and speed are crucial. In automotive parts logistics, ASRS helps in efficient storage and retrieval of components. The food and beverage production industry benefits from its ability to handle perishable goods with care. Pharmaceutical distribution also relies on ASRS for accurate and secure storage of medications. E-commerce fulfillment centers use these systems to streamline order processing and ensure quick delivery to customers. ASRS systems are rapidly emerging as a key technology in modern smart factories and automated logistics centers. If you are in the process of planning an automated warehouse or a smart logistics project, don't hesitate to click the email or WhatsApp link on the channel homepage. We are here to assist you in making your project a success.